done with the meal prep. I just kind of did some small lunch items and some snacks. I have not done the dinner portion of it just yet. Alright, so here we have some carrots, cherries, and grapes and oranges. Now you can either do them in a quick grab and trash Ziploc baggie, or you can do a container. So in this one, they're separated, in this one, they are mixed. Okay, down here I have a baked potato for a lunch option. We have a little seasoning there, we have some butter, and we have a potato in a Ziploc baggie. So when you put it in your refrigerator, tell me to close the door. When you put it in your microwave, the potato cooks better. In these small ones here, I have 2 different kinds of chicken salad. And then with the chicken salad, we do have some bread in bags that I'll get to in just a minute. Here we have my favorite tamales with some beans and a little bit of sour cream in a bag. Okay, and here we have our morning breakfast, which is yogurt, granola, some walnuts, and strawberries. Grab and go. Put the strawberries and the yogurt in bags so that way they don't get all mushy. And then we have little snack options. We have some Sara Lee pound cake, and that is there. So those are some of the things that we have for our lunch for school. Alright, and here we have pre-packaged for some of that chicken salad. We have 2 pieces of bread, and there's enough bags loaded with bread here according to how many containers of chicken salad I have. I also have some crackers sometimes, so it's either bread or crackers with the chicken salad. And then I have an apple that's been pre-washed with some peanut butter. I don't seal the bag so the apple can breathe, and I keep this in the pantry. The peanut butter sometimes is, you know, time-wise you don't have time, and then go get a plate and spread it up and such. So what I do is I just tear a little hole in the corner here and then squeeze out my peanut butter onto my apple that I'm taking a big bite out of. So it's a lot easier to eat, and it's a lot easier to just toss when you're done with it. And so in the morning, we just grab and we go. Hi, Percy. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.